Why you wake up at 3 a.m. and worry about fears and failures. Is that what you do, Will?
There are times, yeah.
Right at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
You're like, oh my God, I'm going to die.
Yeah.
When it comes to restless nights, endless stirring, and groggy mornings, we've most definitely all been there. Many people have reported feelings of intense worry or certain fears. Well, you're dreaming, you wake up. Well, be baffled no more, as an expert has explained exactly why we are so haunted with perpetual anxiety. Is everyone else waking up at 3 or 4 a.m. every single morning to do a quick mental round trip of all their fears for 45 minutes and then falling back asleep? Okay, that's too much.
Okay, yeah, that's a bit much.
What do you got, Will? You got 5 minutes of anxiety, and then you're like, I'm sleeping. That's
5
enough.
seconds.
5 seconds. Okay.
I just doze off.
I'm going back to bed.
I don't have time for this.
One psychology researcher with expertise in mood, sleep, and the circadian system has explained just why this happens to us. Will's going to have to scroll down for us to find out more. There we go. Greg Murray, professor and director of Center for Mental Health at the Swinburne University of Technology, explains that the starting point is understanding what our body is doing around the 3 a.m. mark. According to the expert, our neurobiology reaches a turning point at around 3 or 4 a.m. Physiological processes include a rise in core body temperature, a reduce in sleep drive, melatonin secretion, and an increase in levels of the stress hormone cortisol. All these things happen as our body prepares to launch us into the day. So you're just in a transitionary point. It's like you're getting some different action going on and overreacting to it. Maybe there's other stuff bothering you as well. And then you hit this next sleep cycle and emotional status and whatever else. So don't ever act on anything going on at 3 a.m. Nothing, what do they say? Nothing good happens at, I don't know.
It's the witching hour, too.
Past a certain
It's when ghosts
time.
run around at 3 a.m.
At 3 a.m., most problems literally would be. With none of our human skills in capital, we are left alone in the dark with our thoughts. The mind is partly right when it concludes the problems it's generated are unsolvable at 3 a.m. Most problems literally would be. Truth is, the expert continues, our mind isn't really looking for a solution at 3 a.m. Yeah. Go back to bed.
Moral of the story.
Go back to bed. Don't wake up at 3 a.m. and make any critical decisions, please. I can barely walk to take a piss at 3 a.m. I stumble over there.
Yeah.